The game failed to load error in The Sims 4 usually pops up during startup or loading screens. It's often caused by corrupted cache files or conflicts with mods, especially after game updates or installing new DLCs like the Seasons of Life pack. Identifying the cause is the first step to fixing it. The Sims 4 stores temporary data in cache files located in your Documents folder under Electronic Arts The Sims 4 Cache. These files can get corrupted due to incomplete downloads, crashes, or mod interactions. Clearing these files is a crucial step in troubleshooting. Mods enhance gameplay by adding new features, but they can clash with each other or official updates. Script mods and custom objects are common causes. For example, a mod that alters core game scripts might conflict with a new patch, leading to load failures. Identifying and managing these conflicts is key to a stable game. First, close The Sims 4 completely. Then, navigate to your Sims 4 folder in Documents. Locate the Electronic Arts folder, then the Sims 4 directory. Inside, find the cache folder and delete all files in it. Don't worry, the game will regenerate these files automatically. Finally, restart the game to check if this resolves the loading issue. This simple step fixes many common problems. If clearing the cache doesn't work, disable your mods. Rename the mods folder to something like Mods Disabled. Restart the game. If it loads, a mod is causing the problem. Re-enable mods one by one or in small groups to pinpoint the problematic mod. Always test in a clean save. Step 3. Using the EA Apps Repair tool. The EA app, formerly known as Origin, includes a repair function. Right-click The Sims 4 in your game library and select Repair. This tool scans and replaces corrupted game files, fixing file integrity issues, and is particularly useful after updates. For advanced troubleshooting, consider using mod management tools like Sims 4 Studio or Vortex. These professional tools help detect conflicts between mods, manage your custom content, and clear cache automatically. Sims 4 Studio offers batch fixes for custom content and helps resolve compatibility issues with game updates. Vortex, the official mod manager, provides automated conflict detection and cache management to prevent loading errors. Using these tools simplifies the troubleshooting process and helps maintain a stable gaming experience. To prevent the game failed to load error from recurring, always back up your save files before adding new mods or applying game updates. This ensures you can restore your progress if something goes wrong. Regularly update your mods and verify their compatibility with the latest game patches. Tools like Sims 4 Studio can help identify conflicts before they cause issues. As The Sims 4 continues to evolve with new content and potential official mod support in the future, staying proactive with your mod management will help minimize loading errors. Community resources like SimsWiki, Reddit forums, and the Sims resource are invaluable for finding troubleshooting guides, updated mods, and expert advice. By implementing these preventative measures, you'll maintain a stable and enjoyable Sims 4 experience, ready for whatever the future brings.